What is this for sale? 1967 123 GT for $5,000. Is this one yours?
This is mine.
And this flyer for the 123 GT, is that your GT?
It's a friend's GT. It's up in the East Bay.
Oh, there it is again.
Yep.
Canadian assembled 1967 123 GT. Real and mostly complete. Has front end damage. No problem. Replacement sheet metal. No problem. Car has some rust. Overall pretty solid. Rare beauty. San Francisco Bay Area. Cool. Those are the best kind of deals to get, and the price is so right.
That is a good price.
Now I'm guessing it's got less rust around the windshield than.
It doesn't
good,
have
good,
anything
good,
like this.
good.
Spread the word on that car.
Yeah,
we
thank
want it
you.
to go.
All right, let me see. I'll put the phone number in this video.
Yeah, there's actually
it's
an email.
Deutsche356@gmail.com.
Yep.
That's your sale inquiries. And San Francisco Bay Area, Canadian assembled. Does it say Volvo Canadian on the boot?
You know, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm sure you could find one if you really needed
out
it
of Canada
to.
about 7 years ago.
That's awesome. That's a rescue.
Yeah, he rescued it.
There it is.
So,
I'm happy to see that it's going to survive.
it needs a good home, though.
Yes. Tempting, but I know I shouldn't.
Somebody on the other end there.
Someone chartered to park a car in LA. Oh, I'd love it. She's gorgeous. She feels big, but she is petite. And if I did this, would I get the orange carpet? Maybe. Does it feel like a little much? Would it be dated? Possibly. What are the wheels on this V8R design? Oh. Now you're a real fan. Oh. I bet you this thing rips.
So I've seen your videos.
Is that right?
Yes.
Oh, thanks for watching, mate. Don't mind the dirt. I'm just here to party once again. All right. Where do you find mud out here? Looks like they were throwing it on the car. I've been there myself. It's cool until you start using the wipers and then you grab a rock or two. I wonder if Stephen Cox's front end is on display. Yes, there it is. Straight out of Paradise, California. And here she is in the best shady spot in the entire park. Oh, that's some prime real estate. Now, this guy is also buying a lot of things from VP Auto Parts and Jade.
So I called my wife last night. I said, do you remember what you said last week?
Yum, yum, yum. In my tum-tum-tum.
So do you think I could put up, she cuts hair, and she's moving shots. She said, so do you think I could put my hair color thing in the family?
This is it.
Yeah, okay. So she got what she wanted.
All right, let's check this out now. Is it too soon to make a joke?
No, go ahead.
You gotta put some candles out here.
Oh, okay.
Right next to around the photo, and flowers, the flowers that are plastic. Maybe a few crosses, but I don't know if that's going too far.
I can make a good display.
Yeah. It really is. It's a wonderful story, though.
I mean,
It's a story of perseverance and rebuilding, survival. So, yeah. That's something you can tell for the rest of your life. Is this a badge up here?
yeah, that's the Yahoo group, the Volvo 1800 Yahoo group.
Is that riveted onto the front?
No, it used to be on here. But
Oh, okay. Oh, good,
it
good.
burned off.
This ring, it almost looks like it could polish out.
It probably would.
Why is it that one held up in the heat so well? Is
That one was actually off one of the other 1800s that was outside. I staged that.
Oh, I see.
That was outside.
Should I leave that out of my video? Yeah.
These ones burned.
Yeah.
They burned totally. Like,
Yeah.
there was nothing even left of underneath there.
Yeah.
I don't know. There might have been. But it's like,
Sure,
it was
sure.
such chaos,
You had
sifting
enough,
through everything.
to look for the.
Yeah, I mean, I was sifting through everything because it's like I knew that there was stuff there,
Do they
So
do
we
they
went
let you
through
only
everything.
go back for a limited time, or
No,
you can
you
still
can go back.
Okay,
But it's like it started raining, so it's like it was like you were sifting through cement.
it's returning to the earth.
Yeah,
Dust to
and,
dust.
and you're wearing respirators and stuff.
I didn't even think about that, but that makes so much sense. Because
Yeah,
anytime you move something, it'll be airborne.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
This a buddy of mine found. He was helping me when we were there cutting it apart and stuff.
Yes.
And he helped me systematically. We went through the whole shop.
Yeah.
And
good.
cut stuff and
Good.
found everything. The license plate frame was still there. The
Yep.
nut, the wing nut was on and everything, but The key
key
was
melts?
gone. I don't know.
Wow.
I don't know what happened to it.
Oh, whoa.
But it was gone in that first picture.
Maybe that's why they're
It's
so easy
gone.
to break. Now, this was your father's car, is that correct?
Yes.
And he bought it new?
No.
Did it have a name when you guys were...
Jezebel.
Jezebel, that's right.
Yep.
Old
Painted
Jezzy.
lady.
Boy, I gotta get out of the sun. This is bad.
Is bad.
Should have brought a hat. Anyway, thanks so much, Steve.
Yep. David, did you get one of these?
Are you giving them out?
Yeah.
I should have guessed with how many there are. Thank you very much. Oh, I gotta make some of these. Oh, this is how you win. Thanks for the shade.
Yeah.
Put it right here on my head. Whoa, shiny and chromy, baby. Why am I not chroming my lines? Wow, it's not even noon yet. All right. Volvo Club of British Columbia.
You know what year these are?
These or this one specifically?
This one specifically.
I could guess, but early 60s? 61, yeah.
Oh, this one's okay. So these are all 61s right here.
This, I think in 64 they went to the straight trim and straight bumpers, but this one's like what they call a bullhorn bumper and the trim that goes up the door, and I think
Much difference, huh? Each
64, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, little style changes, and then later they went to a bigger engine, somewhere like
Is that what it is?
65, 66 maybe, 67, yeah, but
What is this? Like a little straight six?
just a 4-cylinder.
Straight four.
Yeah, yeah.
A little screamer.
It would probably make like 89 horsepower. This is the high compression one, 100 horsepower.
Jeez.
Yeah.
That's a lot of power.
You know, there's actually some good information here on the history of it.
Yeah, that's neat.
Nice.
Thank you.
Good color, too. Popular for California. It's the white and right Volvo B1800. Well, these babies are the same color. One's a little more fadey. It's got a Saint sticker on it because everybody knows and loves this Roger Moore's television show.
Forest. Back when I was maybe like 8 or 9. It was amazing. We could hear the sounds of the forest.
You're
all
reading.
over the place.
You're reading. I like a story, but you're reading. Oh, well, wire wheels. Baby Baranis, baby Baranis. Nice Lucas lights. Very cool, very European looking. See, this is what I've got, a plastic cap and, just a metal line. Look how little room there's on that remote reservoir, but that's boosted brakes for you. Every time I say baby, I think of the Carpenter's
Glad you were
song.
on the phone. Hey, babe, what would you like to hear?
Cool filters. I like the badge right there on the dash. No, I don't know if it's correct, but it's kind of neat that somebody would have fixed it there. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. 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 Fan shroud, nice. And another injected one. Okay, that explains it. They're both ES. I think 70 was the first year of injection. Trade for another low 20s, huh? Okay. And another injected. And another injected. Nope, yep. This one's got a polished IPD aluminum cover. Wow, wow, wee wah. You know what's funny? Right here on the main drag, these are going to draw a lot of attention. I kind of like the fire extinguishers holding the tires down. Yeah, let's go take a look at that real quick. This is a brand new model, and it is the talk of the block. Look at the performance on this. And by that I mean the brakes are the size of my wheels. Holster engineering, rims, brakes, probably the Uhlens dampers, some orange belts. Good accent. Interior's pretty standard Volvo. You got the stainless trim versus wood, no wood. Orange belts. Panoramic sunroof is huge. Good midsize. Interesting little bump out on the flare here. Probably keeps dirt from hitting the next part out. I like the new Polestar badge quite a bit. Yeah.
You gotta go get it. Hey, Mom. Hey, Rick.
Black trim, no stainless, no chrome.
Open up the door real quick so he can go get his phone. He's gonna run over there.
And what do you hope to see? A few service ports, some adjustment on the dampers from Polestar and Uhlens. Yep. All right, and we made our way back to Bruce here. Whew. It's all right. It was well worth the sunburn. And thanks everybody for coming out. Did I not show you the P1900? Hey, I'm glad somebody gave you guys a tent.
Yeah, that was good.
Have a little shade.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we did do a pass around this. It's been... Yeah. I think it deserves every little bit of attention that it's had today. So thank you for keeping it out and alive. All right, let's showcase what you guys have brought us today. Clutch goodies. I don't even recognize these, but there's so many different models out there that I'm kind of glad I don't know everything. It'd be overwhelming. Oh yeah, it's very light. Boy, and the textures, everything's right on the money. That's perfect. Wrap this up real quick here, but it's just cool to showcase the way you guys have brought us here. There we go. This looks like polyurethane.
It is.
Yeah, very good.
Made in USA.
Nice. I saw you had a new partnership with IPD. Some of your stuff's on there now.
Yeah, we're selling them some parts.
A couple of the rubbers. That's really good.
Yeah. I don't know if they buy rubber from us.
Yeah, it
They
was-
might buy from CBI. I don't know.
And I got the new visors put on. Really nice, easy, and I like the feel, the look, everything. They're working just like they should. And which cars use this style of clamp? I haven't...
All the early ones.
All the other ones? Okay.
Around 60, I guess. First, on the 50s, you had these like two wires.
Yeah. I know
These
that
are the
one.
version coming after.
Okay.
On my 68, I have them. On my 65,
I'd like to buy a set. Did you bring enough to sell, or is this just
Yeah.
a show?
One set.
Is the set just the 3, or is it
It
gonna
is
come?
610 radiator, upper, lower. 6
And
for
then
the
6 with the
heaters.
heater. Yeah. Okay, that's slow rolling. Thank you everybody for watching and for sticking around. So we're gonna just enjoy our time in the sun. And I will see you. I'm gonna start putting videos together for Bruce here. So I'll see you guys soon with those. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.